आए, हम सब अपनी जिम्मेदारी निभाएं। आओ हम सब पर्यावरण बचाएं। हरी भरी धरती का ये संदेश, संभालो इसे, ना करो कोई कलेश। पेड़ लगाओ, जीवन बचाओ, प्रकृति से प्रेम सभी को सिखाओ। नदियाँ बहे, ना हो उनका रोना, मत फैलाओ कचरा कोना कोना। स्वच्छ हवा हो, शुद्ध हो पानी, यही है असली जीवन की कहानी। Let us take a pledge to save Mother Earth. Please repeat after me. I pledge to honor Mother Earth. I pledge to honor Mother Earth. I pledge to plant and nurture trees. I pledge to plant and nurture trees. I pledge to conserve water and prevent the pollution. I pledge to conserve water and prevent the pollution. I pledge to reduce, reuse and recycle plastic and other waste. I pledge to reduce, reuse and recycle plastics and other waste. Go green, breathe clean. Go green, breathe clean.
Environment Day. Why Environment Day? To tell us, to remind us that we have to take care of it. What have we to do? I have to take care of it. Say that. I have to take care of it. What should you take care of? The nature. What will you take care of? Nature. Yes. And so I appreciate the Club and the teachers, the moderators and Miss Donia in primary wing taking a lot of trouble to prepare this day and make our students understand the importance of protecting our nature. Thank you, dear teachers, and this creative way of presenting. You had the assembly. Immediately after the assembly there was a quiz to check whether you understood, and I think 5 or 6 students got the chocolates as a reward. Let us clap for all of them. And so I appreciate all the children, and I think only primary prepared with the theme, the assembly. Say the theme. What is the theme of 2026 Environment Day? For climate, for future. Say that. Very good. So you will write down today in your diary the theme. Tell them to write down the theme, class teachers, the theme they will do, and every month they should remember. Eco Club should do something for this. Will you do it? Yes. Very good. Have a nice day, children. God bless you.